How to install a door lock.
So here, we have the actual door lock that we want to replace. Simply unscrew it from its place. Inside, we still have the pan, which is this little guy. Pry it to pop it out. We now have no security left on the door. Depending on the door lock you install and the door you have, you may encounter this problem. You may have a too small hole. In this case, you may need to make a bigger hole. Don't worry, it's not that hard. You only need this tool. This one can adapt to any standard door. Just make sure to select the right preset before you do that hole by testing your door lock inside the tool. In my case, I had to set it at 2 inch and 3/4. Align the hole together. If you want to make it very stable, you can screw the tool inside the door. Or you can be stupid as I am and try to hold it with your hand. The first part will be the hardest because it will cut the middle part of the door, as you can see. The wood part will be easier. Now, go all the way in. The real technique will be to restart the hole from the other side to avoid damaging the door by pushing the middle on the wrong side. But if you go very softly as I do, it should be alright. Remember, softly. Remove the tool. We don't need it anymore. We have a hole. Now comes the part with the new door lock. Take the pen, look for the upside inscription, and insert it into the door. If it feels too loose, you can add a bit of electrical tape to make it bigger. Now, bring the new door lock. Set the keypad outside, because that's the logical thing to do. Pass the wire over the pen and the stick inside the pen, like this. This part here is a bracket. It goes directly on the door on the interior side to clamp the keypad on the door. Insert the 2 big screws into it and pass them into those 2 holes. Of course, you have to keep the connector accessible, so bring it on your side. Also, you want the stick to cross on your side. This is what will let you control the lock from the inside. Be careful and hold your keypad, or it could fall on the ground. Screw it until both sides are flat to the door. Now place the battery inside. Connect the keypad to the inside cable. And finally, place the inside cover. Test it before inserting the screws. See? It's also working on the exterior side. I did a lot of how-tos on this door lock. If you're interested, you can follow the link on the higher right corner. It's actually my favorite door lock. I'll leave you a link if you want to order it in the description.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!